Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you, friends. This is the exercise number 37. This is also a very simple SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. We will learn sketch, smart dimension, circle command, boss extrude, chamfer, mirror entities, and extrude cut commands from this SolidWorks free exercise video. We will use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Length is 120 millimeters. Height is 50 millimeters. Take chamfer command. Chamfer dimension is 5 by 45 degree.
Press OK. Now take circle command.
Make them horizontal. Make it vertical. Make them horizontal. Make it vertical. View sketch relations. Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 10 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Depth is 10 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command. Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Take center line command and draw lines like this.
Now take circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 20 millimeters.
Now take the Line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 8.3 millimeters. Width is 15 millimeters. Width is 15 millimeters. Distance is 11.7 millimeters. Height is 11.7 millimeters. Distance is 8.3 plus 8.3 equal to 16.6 millimeters. Distance is 11.7 millimeters. Width is 15 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 22 millimeters.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Take Center Line command and draw lines like this.
Now take Circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal. Diameter is 6 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 9 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Depth is 25 plus 5 equal to 30 millimeters. From Featured menu select Extrude Cut command.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Convert these circles.
Now take Circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 12 millimeters. From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Depth 5 millimeters.
Press OK.
Section view. Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.